Hello friends, today is our the seventh lecture of our free course on Etap. In previous lecture, we have performed load flow analysis of a simple electrical system on Etap. Now, in today's lecture, we will compare the results of Etap with the hand calculations through Excel sheet. Before starting today's lecture, please subscribe the channel, like and share the video on your social media profiles. In previous lecture, we have studied this electrical system, and this is the result what we have get from the Etap after performing the load flow analysis. This is the sending end power, and this is the active power, and this is the reactive power, and this is the losses, active losses and reactive losses, and these are the receiving end voltage, and this is the receiving end active power, receiving end reactive power. This is the details of a transformer, and this is the details of the load. These are the results which we have obtained from Etap after performing the load flow analysis. Now in today's lecture, we can do the same load flow analysis of the same electrical system using Excel sheet. I have made an Excel sheet in which we have incorporated different formulas how we can calculate these reactive power, active power, and receiving end voltage, and I will compare the two results, the results of Etap and the results of the Excel sheet, and we will see what are the differences, are they matching or not. This is the Excel sheet which we have made. You can see at first there nothing data is included in this. All majority of the cells are blank. The formulas are here incorporated, but no values are displayed. Now we will enter the values. First of all, I will enter the grid source. The grid is 33 kV, and the bus voltage, the base MVA. The base MVA in ETAP is by default 100. Then we have number of transformers in our electrical system. This is the system. The number of transformers is 1. So we can enter here 1. Transformer rating is 15 MVA. Primary voltage is 33 kilovolt, and secondary is 11.55. You can see here 11.55. Percentage impedance is tap changing is 0. This is the turns ratio. It is calculated by the Excel sheet by itself by using a formula. I have incorporated the formula. Percentage impedance here is 10%. I can write 10. Transformer ratio. The transformer ratio we have incorporated in the Etap software. We have taken the in the Etap software is 18.6. We can enter here 18.6. You can see most of the quantities have been calculated. The load here is 80% motor load. Same has been taken in Etap. Rating of load. Rating of load is 12 MVA. 12 MVA, and power factor is 0.8. You can see the different parameters are being calculated. Now we will see the results of this. The sending end power rate is 9.657 in megawatts. What is the sending end power of ETAP showing us? 9.622. Same is the reactive power. Sending end reactive power is 8.26. Here it is 8.242. There is a slight difference because I have taken a, because of fraction is coming in the calculation, I have taken a round of about 2 or 3. Due to these rounding off, these variations, little bit variations are coming, and power receiving end power is 9.6. Receiving end power is 9.56. That is same. Reactive power is 7.2, receiving end 7.2, 7.17, that is 7.2. Power factor is 0.8. Receiving end voltage is 10.99. You can see the receiving end voltage is 99% of this voltage, that is around 10.99. You can see here it is 99.99.6. Same is here 99.008. There is a little differences because these differences are come from due to the rounding off. Can now you have seen here the Excel sheet results and the Etap results are same. That means our hand calculations and the Etap results are almost same. If you want to this Excel sheet, you can join our Telegram group, and from there you can get this the Excel sheet. This will be available in my Telegram group. Thank you.